Here's one for you, Louis. So if you take a right-hand drive car and you put it in a left-hand drive country, what side do you drive on?
No, you got me.
Come on. So you take a right-hand drive car to a left-hand drive country, what side of the road do you drive on?
On the left side.
But what if you're in the right-hand side? It all started working on a series in my dad's shed. I followed my dreams and joined the Marines, serving in Afghanistan. Defenders were always part of me. So here we are, building custom machines with my awesome team in Shropshire. We are MAHKER. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dave and this is MAHKER YouTube. So, quick update. This exhaust system has just come back from Circotec. This is a ceramic coating and we've done this to try and keep the temperatures down because this car is going on the Gumball this year in America and it's going to get pretty damn hot. So we've had the cats, the downpipes, pretty much everything done in ceramic coating to keep the temperatures inside the pipes where we want it. So this vehicle, we've got all hands on deck at the minute, try and get this car out the door as soon as we can. So we're doing this build in collaboration with Stag Shores, and for many of you who know us and you know them, so we're trying to do the best we possibly can to get the car out the door and make the best possible machine we can. So we're wishing the guy who owns this car the ultimate trip, and we're going to give him the ultimate engine and the ultimate transmission to go with it. So here's an update on this 200 TDI restoration. So we're doing this for a good client of ours, Richard, and I'm super impressed of how this blue has turned out. So Creed and Shaw have painted this bulkhead for us, and this is a beautiful satin. So it's an original series blue that we've done a bit of a twist on again. You know us, we don't like doing anything boring, so we've gone with a nice satin finish. And as you can see, it's just turned out amazing. And if you follow us down here, this seat box, we've gone with a brand new fabricated unit because the old one had totally rotted along here. And I'm going to give a good shout out to the guys at YRM. They've sold me this, and it is what it is, just perfect. Look at it, it's brand new, it's spankers, and it's immaculate. And that's what we're all about, is we want to build these cars to last, not just 5 years, not 10 years, another 50 years. And that's why Richard's having this car for his sons when he first passes his test, and we just can't wait to finish it for him.
Calling you up at 2 in the morning, but you don't wanna talk, you don't wanna bother. Yeah, so I took another shot, let my brain do the walking. I don't wanna be your friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't wanna stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I just need some closure. I'll pull you close, like you to me, babe. I just need some closure. I need some closure. Like you to me, babe. I just need some closure. I'll pull you close, like you to me,
So for those of you that have been following our channel, this is Project Rodent. It's been featured heavily on Captain Ratty's Instagram. It's been featured heavily on my Instagram, Maker and 4x4 Fabrication. And those of you that will know that this vehicle was a beaten up old military 110. So we took this car completely to bits. Me, Rob and the team have literally stripped it back down to the bare chassis. I said to Rob, I said, how far are we going to go with this restoration? Because this is going to go on Scram Africa this year. And we were literally undecided how far do we really go. So do we just tart the chassis up, do we put some new axles on it? And Rob was like, you know what, Dave, we're so far into it, let's just do the whole hog. And I'm literally choked to death with projects at the moment, and due to parts supply and everything, we have managed to fit it in amongst other builds. So I've took on 3 more staff to literally do this project and take on the rest of the projects in the workshop, because we physically can't get through them without the extra help. So Rob's been busy on the spanners in the evenings. So those of you that don't know this, as you can see in there, we've gone the full hog. This is Raptor Engineering's Pinnacle. We've gone there with some lovely gauges and some nice upgrades. And there's literally no bolt or screw uncovered on this build. And we can't wait to get out and get road testing more than anything. So today the lads have been busy fitting the extended arches. We are going to be putting some spacers on to push these wheels out a bit and give us a bit of extra wider stance for extra help in the sand. If you want to come round here, Chris. So this front end was donated by ORE Engineering for our trip. So this beautiful winch, he's given us this stainless steel bumper, totally bolt together, and sure as hell guarantee that we're going to need these heavy duty recovery eyes. And also these headlights. Chris at ORE suggested that we run these, and honestly they literally do light up the road.
You know what I mean?
Oh yeah, push it through.
Yeah.
Last year we were let down by a number of upholsterers in the business, so we decided to bring it in-house. And as you can see here, we've set the machines up. We're just about to set a room up here to keep it all nice and cosy for the upholsterer, because he does moan when it gets a bit cold. So what you can see here is what we've done so far. These are going to be going into Project Ninja for a good customer, Phil of ours, and I'm really chuffed, to say the least, of Mark's handiwork. So as you can see here, this beautiful red interior has come together, wow, just perfect in my opinion. So if anybody wants anything to do interior wise, don't be afraid to get in touch, because this is the level of work, as you can see, that we can offer. So any interiors, any leathers, and we're not afraid to just do Land Rovers. So if you'd like to get in touch with anything, Porsche seats, Ford seats, we're happy to do anything. So from headlinings to Land Rovers to absolutely anything. control slowly? Slowly!
Yeah, slowly, but doesn't go slowly.
Right, now very slowly, go on. Look at that. Looks as good as if I did that.
What are we actually doing here?
So we're going to build an airbox inside the front left-hand arch because we don't want hot air from this engine bay.
Yeah.
Going to put a piece of cardboard or something.
Yeah.
What I'm thinking, make 2 tabs, listen. I think 2 tabs up here, about this height, yeah. Off the back, bolted to this, yeah. So we'll reuse this bracket that's here, yeah. Come up a little bit.
Yeah, just like that.
2 bits of flat at the back, yeah. At the back.
Yeah. Welded.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'll send this a powder coating, okay?
Yeah.
2 support brackets.
So leave this like how it is.
Yeah. Well, 2 tabs on the back, yeah. 2 bits of flat.
Yeah.
2 holes in, bolt it in here.
Yeah. Okay.
And then what we'll do, then we'll make the top supports, okay?
Yeah.
There. Is that about right there, Lou? Yeah? That looks good there.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good. Right, well, that does.
Fucking tape now.
So guys, thanks again for watching, and right now I'm going to be heading off to the Welsh countryside with Alistair from Land Rover Monthly. The Dirty 130 has gone up into the Welsh mountains for its photo shoot, so keep your eyes peeled. I think it's coming out in the next couple of months, but I want a big spread about what I've done to that truck and why we fit the M57 into these Land Rovers. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment. I'll see you guys soon.